Hi, love. Finally, we did it. And today, I give myself to you in marriage. When we first met at work, I didn't like you. You weren't my type. And alam mo yun, and nila. You were not maporma, maputi, finito, and doesn't even know how to play an instrument. At first, I never thought that we end up together. We have different personalities. The optimistic meets the overthinker. The calm meets the chaotic. And the OA meets the nonchalant. But in the end, I ended up falling in love with you. It took me a year before I realized how much you mean to me. All the efforts that you've done, thank you for staying even things weren't easy. And for reminding me that love is a choice you make over and over again. My love, I promise to you for the worst of the times and the best of the times. And I promise to be the best version of myself to you and help you grow so that we can be the best for each other. I promise to trust you, to respect, and love you more and more every day. I promise to encourage you and inspire you whatever the circumstances. I promise to support you in your decision kahit pagmamotor pa yan. I promise to cherish you and spend every moment with you, in good or even in bad ones. I promise to share my sorrow and joy with you. I promise I will love you and I will choose you even if the life is hard. Even when everything becomes so tiring and nothing feels is going right anymore. I promise that I will be your strength, motivation, and inspiration to keep pushing